Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're shedding light on the best 6 FT LED shop light available, the OKPRO LED High Bay Lights. These high bay lights are not your average illumination fixtures. Packed with features and designed for superior performance, they're perfect for workshops, garages, warehouses, and more. Let's dive into what makes them stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk brightness. The OKPRO LED High Bay Lights boast an impressive 24,000 lumens, delivering clear and soft white light without any glare or flicker. With 150 lumens per watt efficiency, these lights are energy efficient, helping you slash your electricity bills by up to 80%. But brightness is just the beginning. These lights are built to last. Constructed with a durable die-casting aluminum shell and featuring excellent heat dissipation properties, they can withstand temperatures ranging from -104 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, they're IP65 waterproof rated, making them suitable for both dry and wet environments. Installation is a breeze. Thanks to the 6 FT power cord and built-in hook, you can have these lights up and running in seconds. Plus, with the standard American 3-prong plug, there's no need to fuss with adapters or extensions. It's plug-and-play convenience at its finest. But where can you use these lights? The possibilities are endless. From warehouses to factories, supermarkets to gyms, these lights are perfect for illuminating large commercial and industrial spaces. With a wide beam angle of 120 degrees, they provide ample light coverage wherever you need it most. So there you have it, folks. The OKPRO LED High Bay Lights are the ultimate solution for all your lighting needs. Whether you're upgrading your workshop or illuminating a warehouse, these lights deliver unmatched performance, durability, and value. Don't settle for subpar lighting, invest in the best. Until next time, this has been Product Critique. Thanks for watching.